Let's talk about the pros and cons of a no-salt system. The pros are that there's no drain here. If you look, this is a traditional softener here. This is a waste drain, meaning that once it's collected all its hard minerals, it needs to backflush it down into a sewer drain. Since this doesn't actually remove any minerals, it doesn't need to backflush, which is great because then you don't waste any water. It allows us to install the unit pretty much anywhere because it doesn't have any power. The TAC systems are great for tank water heaters, so that's definitely a pro. If you have a saltwater connect to a tank, you're going to blow it up. These work really well with tank water heaters and don't speed up the decay process. One of the cons about the no salt system is that because it has not eliminated the minerals, only changed the structure of them, you're still going to get spotting on your wine glasses. You're still going to get spotting on dishes, shower glass doors. Now it's not going to want to etch in because it's no longer attracted to anything else. They're attracted to each other. So it's not going to want to dig into glasses or anything like that. You should be able to wipe it away easily, but you're still going to have spots. Another con of the no salt softener is that it does not affect the way the soap works in washing dishes, clothes, and your hair. So for women, this is going to give you a big boost in the way your hair feels. It'll be more bouncy and lighter. Since the minerals are still in the water, it's going to kind of give you that weighted down effect. So it's not going to have the benefit that most women are looking for with a softener. It will help, especially when used in combination with a whole house purification system, because again, chlorine is corrosive, so that will be reduced. The minerals are still in there and it's not going to give you that benefit. It's also not going to help you reduce any soap that you use for dishwashing, laundry, anything like that. Salt softening is the only thing that actually helps with the sudsing factor, so they say you can reduce soap by 50%. They do need to be serviced at least every 5 years. What we do is we bring a machine, we put it on, we extract the old media, we put the new media back in. On the TAC, the system, the media itself has a 5-year lifespan, and that I would say is only if you use the whole house purification first. If this is being treated directly with chlorinated water, I would take the lifespan down to 2.